Hello everybody, this is Deidre with Paper Crafts and Planners, and I hit the 2,000 subscriber mark, I know, a few weeks ago. I think I'm now at 2025 or something, and I'm just now getting around to making this giveaway video, but I have been really busy. I've set up my own online shop, and I'm not very tech savvy, and instead of spending thousands of dollars to do it, I took a class and did it myself. I'll put the link below if you want to see what it looks like. It's not exactly how I want it, but you know what? I did it myself and I saved thousands of dollars doing it. So I'm kind of proud of myself at 58 to learn how to do a little bit of this tech stuff, but I don't know a lot. Thank goodness for YouTube tutorials, Skillshare, and Google. Yeah. Okay, so let me show you what I have gathered here for my giveaway. First of all, this is one of the Barely Art Precision Craft Glues, and it is the 2 ounce with all of the tips. So this is my bottle. This is the size it will be, and it comes with the different tips and then the stainless steel pin that you can put in there. This is not the one that came with mine. I lose them all the time. It's terrible. Anyway, so it'll come with a pin, and then you can choose which tip to use. I think this is the finest point tip that I have on here, but it is my favorite craft glue, so I wanted to include that in a giveaway. So there is that. I took this out of the packaging just to get rid of some of the glare, but this is an embossing folder that I've had 2 of, and so I thought, you know what, I'm going to use this for a giveaway. Hopefully you can see it creates these really pretty swirly leaves. Now this one is branded Fun Stamper's Journey. Fun Stamper's Journey no longer exists, but I believe it's rebranded and on the Spellbinder site, so it's probably not the green color that was the signature for Fun Stamper's Journey, but I just put a white piece of cardstock in there so you could see what it looks like, kind of get an idea. Waves or wind in the sky, it can be either one. It's a really pretty embossing folder. Okay, these I have gotten extras of the stamp of the month for several months, and so I have this one, which is Message in a Bottle, which is one of my favorites, I think. This one, I Heart Summer, all the little doodads to use. And this one is called Voice of the Sea, and I have used this one, and it's really pretty. I love all the sketching and the shadows and the detail. It's really beautiful. And then this one is, I don't think you can even get this one yet, but this one is called Enjoy These Moments, and it's beautiful. I love this Autumn Blessings. I've been using the heck out of that on mine. And I've used this heart, which is really beautiful. I love this one. Okay, then I have an organizer that I got from scrapbook.com, and I bought myself 2, and then I bought an extra. I don't know if you can tell, but anyway, it is for slimline items. So you could do the slimline cards that you've already made and you're ready, you want to store them, or the stencils, dies, all of those things for your slimlines. I know it's kind of, mine don't store in the normal storage I had when I made A2 cards all the time. The mini slimline stuff will fit in there, but the slimline items just don't. So I thought I'd include one of those. And then last but not least, I have this from the latest Echo Park subscription box, and this is the July one. I haven't even gotten to touch it. I've been so busy. Besides getting the when you're a one-woman show, I'm doing the website myself, the shop myself. I had my daughter take all my photos, which I think turned out so pretty. And then I have to also make all the product to go in there. So as you can imagine, it's been busy, and I had to also take a trip to Kansas. So yeah, I've been crazy. I opened this so I could show it to you. It's going to go back in a box, just like this, with none of the wrappers undone. So you receive a 6x6 double-sided. So there'll be 12 designs, 2 of each. So you get 24 double-sided pieces. There is always a stamp set. Let me see if I can get that so you don't get your glare. It says blue skies are ahead, summer, sunny days. Really pretty. And then you've got some enamel dots, a package of ephemera, some cardstock pieces, chipboard pieces. These usually aren't sticky back, so I imagine they're not. And then you receive the same papers in the 12x12 version. I think there'll only be 1 sheet of each, and then you get a sticker sheet. So you can see this is a beautiful collection. I'm just not going to have time. Hopefully next month when I get the card kit, or at the end of this month, which is August, I will have a chance to work with it and make a video showing what I made, but I'm just not going to get around to this one, unfortunately. So that is all the stuff I have here for you for the giveaway. Here's how you can join the giveaway or enter into the giveaway. You have to be a subscriber to this channel. You have to like this video and just make some sort of comment below. Unfortunately, oh, my desk is such a mess. I've got Christmas has exploded in the craft room right now, so it's everywhere around me. Unfortunately, I will not be able to do international. The shipping is just too much, and I've had problems with it just coming right back to me, and after I've spent all the money to ship it. So this is just going to be in the United States, please. And anyway, so like this video, be a subscriber to the channel, leave some sort of a comment. I don't care what you say. You can say, oh, I love that stamp, whatever you want to say. But I will close this out on, let's see, let me take a look at my phone. Can you tell how ill prepared I am for this video? Let's see, I will close it out on September 1. So that gives everybody a full 2 weeks to get in here and enter the giveaway. And on September 1, I will come back and do a little drawing of all the names that are entered and let you know who won. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Happy crafting.